Good morning, Matt from Keystone Experience checking in. Saturday, September 13th. Gus and I are starting the metal roofing. Drip edge, we're gonna run the valleys. Gus from Idaho down there rocking it, hooking into the safety lines. Stay tuned. Installing the drip edge. Tuck that under your climbing rope and it's 10 a.m. We're moving right along. I'm pleased with our progress. Making lots of laps up and down off the roof. Be nice to have, what do you call those things with the forklift, the boom lift? Yeah, we don't have one of those. But Gus and I are plodding along. We're making good progress. We're about to start, got the valleys installed, and we're about to start reinstalling the old roof that we saved. Here you can see it laid out in the grass there. Try to reuse most of that, get that installed. And then the goal for today would be get the old house totally dried in. Well, everything's dried in, but the roof reinstalled in the old house. Remember that scene in Anne of Green Gables where Josie Pye dares Anne to walk the ridge post in her up on the ridge post again. Click, click, click. It's been a good day, coming to the end. It's been good to be roofing again. It may not look like we got much done, but we got a ton of angled cuts done on the existing roof. So all of this stuff right here, we salvaged and reinstalled, which was, I think, really cool. Kind of so that way the existing house matches the existing metal roof. And then we'll switch to new roofing down here on this area, which is the addition portion. So there you can see the one angle, ran the valley, ran the gable trim, and then all the field pieces. And then we did the same thing over here. Ran the valley, ran the pieces, and then the gable trim. So I do have the ridge cap to put on, but it's weatherproofed in, so that ridge cap will go in soon. But thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. More roofing to come, more roofing to come. Yeah, so when we do this side, there'll be angles cuts going into that valley. That'll slow us down to some degree. The roof I'm standing on here is pretty much the shed dormer. It's square, so it should be good. And then we have these little roofs on the end to get. So I think it was a good first day. Gus was a major help. Tune in next week for more adventures on the Susquehanna.